Designing a poster live on YouTube. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to The Johnson Show. So today, I will be doing some graphic design. Some of you may know that I used to be a graphic designer and I've only been working as an English teacher for the last 2.5 years in Japan. Recently, I decided that I wanted to get back into graphic design. I do this all live. You can hop on and talk to me, or if you have something you can teach me, I'm always learning. I'm a student as well. So I'm trying to get back into things. I'm really rusty, kind of washed up. Alright, that's about it. Let's go. The research. Research is the most important part of graphic design. I usually spend quite long on it, but because I was doing it live, I decided to keep it short. I was influenced by Japanese design today, and this is basically what I ended up with. Making the poster. At this point, I actually didn't know what I was making, but my friend in chat said something like, "Oh, is that oat milk?" So I decided to make a poster based on oat milk. Ignore the packaging because this isn't really a branding exercise. By the way, never do this. Never design something without having something planned. Like, don't design anything without knowing your client or knowing your project. I'm just having fun. I'm practicing because I'm quite rusty. But at least you can see that I'm following my inspiration and following my research. I'm basing all the designs in my poster on things that I found in my research. So that is something that you should do. I really liked this illustration style and I wanted to fill the empty space with something. So yeah, let me know what you think. The result. Alright guys, that's basically it for today. I haven't done any graphic design for a while, so please leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like me to design next. Feel free to ask any questions. I'm just trying to like find projects to get a bit of practice in. Peace. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe.